Occasionally, people ask me, how do I get rich? How do I get out of my financial predicament? You know? And sometimes when you send them a course and say, take this course, see you in 31 days when you are earning foreign currency. I have courses like that, like on my platform. If you take course 6, it's just 1 hour and it's recorded with a phone. You know, I want to see you in 31 days. They pay 6th of every month. 6th. And then course 7 will make you a software developer. In a year's time, your life will be totally different. You know, course 4 will make you a YouTuber. In 2 months' time, we're talking about 60 days. You should be earning monthly income in US dollars. So these are 3 courses on my platform right now. Braintem, you will see it written here, that I'm 100% sure I've done it. Guaranteed to change your financial life. It will not make you a trillionaire, but it puts extra income in your bank account every month that many people will quit their jobs. Many people will quit their jobs, you know. So when I say start YouTube, many people think you can just go online. Why do I have to pay this guy to take his course? I'll just go online and get the course. There's a big difference. Very big difference. Number one, I have 150,000 YouTube subscribers. If you have ever tried to run YouTube, you would know that it is difficult to run YouTube. Alright, so I've done it. I'm teaching you the secrets. This is how YouTube algorithm thinks. And you know, the way YouTube will work for an American is different from the way YouTube will work for a Nigerian. Do you understand? So in America or in China, if you are doing something really technical, there's no YouTube in China, of course. They have their Baidu or something. But in some countries, if you're doing really something technical, I'm giving you an example, you have millions of viewers. Like if you're teaching how to repair a car, how to do this, go and do it as a Nigerian on the same platform. You will not get enough viewers, either because your accent is different. Nigerians, personally, I don't understand the reason, but maybe because a lot of Nigerians don't watch technical stuff. Maybe it's just a culture. And not just Nigerians, Africans. We don't give a damn, you know. Or maybe because the algorithm is not just showing it to enough technical people. Maybe because the technical people in the country will prefer to watch foreign technical YouTubers. Now, if you go online to take a course on how to run YouTube, you will not see the secret I'm telling you. What will happen is that you go and start a technical channel and run it for 12 months, 2 years, and then you give up. You think it's not working. No, the topic is also a problem. In this country, in Africa, we love drama. Go and check churches. Churches where the pastor is teaching, you know, and preaching very maturely, you know, the church will be empty. Churches where the pastor is telling the truth, the church will be empty. Go to churches where the pastor is doing drama. Instead of giving a poor widow money in the office, he will drag the widow to the stage where the whole world will see. They will give the widow microphone. The widow will be interviewed. He will expose all her family secrets. Then they will carry the money and give her in public, knowing that this widow owes a lot of people. The people she's owing are watching it and waiting for her to get home with that money so that they will go and collect it from her. And some of these people might be living in dangerous areas. Men will mount on her gate waiting for her. As she comes, they will collect it from her. But the pastor doesn't care. He's dramatizing it. Any church where they are doing drama, go and check crowd. The whole auditorium is full. The outside is full everywhere. Why? Drama. People love drama in this part of the world. So these are the things, secrets I teach in my YouTube course. It's not a random, it is from experience. And I'm telling you, some of you do trek to work. Every day there's a 30-minute trek you do, 1 hour trek. That period of trekking is a period to be running your YouTube channel. If you do it consistently, following the principles I covered in that video, you will see that over 2 months, your income will change. You'll be making $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 from YouTube. You can confidently quit your job. I'm telling you. You know? So different times, some people, they have this extra 30 minutes you have at home after your children have slept. You have 30 minutes to quickly browse around the laptop. That's the time to run your YouTube channel. I've covered it in a course. It's not like it doesn't exist. Do you understand? So when I tell you go and take my course, it's not that I need your money. It's because people, I do teach this thing every day online. I realize I'm repeating myself. It's better I create it into a course and put. My courses used to be free. Let me tell you. Anybody that has been following me before know that all my courses used to be free. I'll tell you, go to my... When I now went and checked after a year or two, I was shocked at how many people that completed the course. 99% of the people that got the course free did not complete it. You will give somebody a course for free, they will go and watch the first video and come back and say, I don't have internet. This is the same person that was complaining that doesn't have money. The course is too long. How long is the course? 1 hour. 1 hour is too long. But you watch Netflix movie for 2 hours, 4 hours every day. 1 hour to change your life. You know? And that reminds me that there was one of the ladies that watched my course, took my course, and her channel is doing very well now. She reviews Netflix movies because she loves watching movies. So she adapted it into a YouTube channel. So she reviews the movies and she's making millions in Naira from it. I'm not a movie person. Some of you love sports. Any football match they are playing, you know it. Don't you know that you can make money from it? It's only staking that you know, but you can make money from the football match if you know how to run a channel. So I've covered this thing on my platform, course number 4. Course number 4, it is covered. So after I realized that people don't value what they get free, I now put money on it, so that I'll know the ones that are free. If you want it free, I'll block you. If you go there and you check and you see the money and you bring out money and pay for it, you're paying it for yourself. I know that this one is serious. Sometimes people call me and say, when can we do a video call? So you go through my channel. I said, just come in the evening. Evening time, I will get on a video call. I say, okay, this is your channel, change it like this. This one is not good, this one is not good. Let me see one of your videos. I do it every day for people. They will send me, once they finish my course and set up their channel and upload the first video, they send me the link. I criticize the video. I said, this one you said here, this is where you would have put it. The next video they will do, you see that it gets better. The next one, before they will do 3-4 videos, you will start seeing thousands of views. Even in that YouTube video, some people will do YouTube video and they'll be complaining that it's getting 5-10 views. It's because you don't know what you're doing. In the course, that course number 4, if you go there, you will see that within that course, as I was making the course, I started a channel, and one of the videos I created in that channel while making that course raised about 80,000 views. One video, 80,000 views. Remember that in YouTube, they will tell you that you need 10,000 views, 4,000 watch hours. One video covered everything. One video, 80,000 views. It covered more than all the requirements. Got the number of subscribers, one video. Because what? I know what I was doing. There's a method to it. If you don't want to pay, that's fine. Alright? Go and do all the trials yourself. Me, I ran a YouTube channel from 2014 to 2018. With only 100 subscribers. People were not watching my videos. Until I sat down, I paid a lot of creators. I sat down and said, let me really understand this thing. 2 months after I figured YouTube out, or more, I was earning $2,500 from it in 2018. I no longer post YouTube videos now. The ones I posted must be some months ago or even years ago. You know? I no longer have that time, because when you're posting YouTube videos, one of the things I advise is you post every day. Every day. It looks like work, but once you start making money from it, it will be sweet. You know what I'm saying? It's sweeter than going to work in a factory. It's sweeter than going to sit in an office where a boss is shouting over your neck and calling you in the evening when you're supposed to be resting to submit one template or the Excel sheet. Or it's sweeter opening your camera like this and videoing yourself, and boom, you're making money. It's sweeter than all those things. Why are you struggling with money? I just mentioned 3 ways. There are many ways. There are many people online teaching, this is how to make money. This is my account. I've made money. But you will not take it. You think it's scam, because you don't know how to distinguish between scam and reality. Before you know it, you have even fallen. You are running from scam. You will now fall into the main scam. How to know scam is anyone that they are telling you that you invest. Once you hear invest, your guard should be up. 90% of it is scam. The only thing you should be investing on is knowledge. Once you hear invest, give us money, after some time we'll give you more money. Scam.